Halloween night found the stars dressing up in their best costumes as they battled it out to advance to the next stage of the competition. Throughout the night, 2 of the 9 duos were each gifted with a perfect score, while another star was sent packing by the end of the explosive installment. Let's break down Monday's performances, shall we? Milo Manheim and Witney Carson, contemporary, toxic by two-way. Are old Disney stars great dancers? Milo has been a solid performer all season long, and his asylum-set performance with Witney was yet another winning performance. The judges were pumped by it and gifted them with a perfect score. Not a bad way to start the performances off. Judges score, 30-30 John Schneider and Slater, Paso Doble, main titles by Rachel Liv. We think it's fair to say that John has lasted a lot longer than we first anticipated, but now that the numbers are being whittled down, his lack of dancing ability is starting to show. Despite going with this Beetlejuice number, the duo was not in sync, and that's a big no-no when it comes to dancing. Judges score, 19-30 DeMarcus Ware and Lindsay. Arnold, Salsa, Under Your Spell by Leo Soul. DeMarcus and Lindsay have been rather inconsistent throughout the season. With most of their performances falling right in the middle of the pack, it was good to see them elevate with Monday's spectacular. There were zombies, horrifying scares, and just great dancing. Judges score, 26-30 Evanna Lynch and KO Motsepe, Tango, Disturbia by Rihanna Evanna has been surviving because she's that chick from the Harry Potter movies, but she was determined to show in her scores that she was one of the best. Her Tango was fast-paced, but the song choice was a little random. In any case, this was her finest performance to date. Judges score, 29-30 Bobby Bones and Sharna. Burgess Argentine, Tango, Mr. Sandman by SYML Meh. That about sums up this latest number from Bobby and Sharna. They're not improving. It's like they're a married couple stuck in a rut, and Theyre's a severe lack of energy. It's like they're determined they're not taking the judges' feedback on board, and that's problematic. Mary Lou. Retton and Sasha. Farber. Tango, Shame, by Elle King Mary Lou has really dialed up her emotions since appearing on the show, and one of her best traits is channeling all of that into her performances. Sasha is just as solid, and at one point, he scared Mary by jumping out of a tree. It was comical and proved why these two need to stay in the competition. Judges score, 24-30 Alexis Ren and Alan Burson. Jazz, Candyman, by Christina Aguilera. Alexis and Alan have chemistry for days, and that probably explains why they work so well together, but they need to switch things up and fast. They're no longer improving. They're turning in the same level of quality every week, but they need to offer something different at this stage. Judges score, 27-30 Joe Amabile and Jenna Johnson. Argentine, Tango, El Tango de Roxanne from Moulin Rouge. Holy guacamole. Joe can actually dance. Joe and Jenna turned in a solid performance that would have scored much higher if the lift at the end wasn't such a disaster. They're improving, and that's a good thing for them. Judges score, 22-31 Pablo Di Pace and Cheryl Burke. Jive, Dead Man's Party by Atwater Men's Club. This duo turned up the sex appeal Monday night, and it resulted in a flawless performance that might have secured them a place at the end of the competition. Judges score, 30-30 But who is in danger? Mary Lou and Sasha and Alexis and Alan found themselves in danger, and we quickly learned that the jig was up for Mary Lou and Sasha. What the F is going on with the voting? Dancing with the Stars continues Monday on ABC.
What do you think about it? Share your opinion in the comments below the video. And also subscribe to the channel not to miss new, interesting videos.